The ban on direct flights from South Africa to the UK remains in place in a bid to limit the spread on the new mutation. Meanwhile, the latest vaccine is being administered in the UK as the country battles against its own rapidly rising infection rates.
The vaccine rollout in the UK is well underway. Hospitals like this one in Bristol have been giving vulnerable and older people the Pfizer vaccine for almost a month. And this week, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine is also being given to those who need it most. The plan is to vaccinate more than 500,000 people with the new jab in the next 7 days. Around 1 million people have had the Pfizer vaccine so far. But there are growing concerns that these vaccines won't be able to deal with the new variant of the virus detected in South Africa. Health Secretary Matt Hancock has said he's incredibly worried about the new strain and has described it as a very, very significant problem. A leading scientist from Oxford University has said there's a big question mark over whether the vaccines would work against the South African mutation. It's believed the vaccine will work against the new strain of the virus first detected in southeast England, which is up to 70% more contagious, but doesn't appear to make people more ill. Meanwhile, the travel ban remains in place between the UK and South Africa. The official government advice is very clear: no direct flights and strict rules on quarantine for anyone who has been in South Africa before they arrive in the UK. Scientists will be keeping a very close eye to see if they've managed to stop the South African variant getting into the UK. But they have said that if the current vaccines don't work, it might be a matter of adapting existing vaccines rather than having to start again. Things here in the UK are bad and getting worse. More than 50,000 new cases a day now, up from just over more than 10,000 a day since the start of December. There are now calls to shut schools, and the Prime Minister Boris Johnson will address the UK tonight about tightening measures to try and stop the spread of coronavirus. John Beaver, SABC News, Bristol.